stolen my dreams and my childhood with your empty words. And yet, I'm one of the lucky ones. People are suffering. People are dying. Entire ecosystems are collapsing. We are in the beginning of a mass extinction, and all you can talk about is money and fairy tales of eternal economic growth. How dare you!
Now, after seeing this video clip, some of you might be wondering who she is. For those who don't know, her name is Greta Thunberg, a climate activist who started her journey at the age of 15. One day she decided to stand up against the Swedish government as the climate started to get worse in her country. No one supported her, not even one member. They made even fun of her, but she didn't care any of those things. She continued and she made history. But she still believes there's more to do in order to save lives of animals, birds, and our very own planet Earth. This video is a message to all those people who believe that there's some kind of superiors of this world. Mother Earth is warning us about the consequences of continuing harmful activities such as deforestation, pollution. Burning of fossil fuels is the largest source of heat-trapping pollution, which is producing 2 billion tons of CO2. The second largest source of heat-trapping pollution is transportation sector, which produces 1.7 billion tons of CO2 every year, which is eventually leading to global warming. Over the past 50 years, the average global temperature has increased at the fastest rate in recorded history. Melting glaciers, early snowmelt, severe droughts, and increased risk of wildfires in the west. India has just 5 years to solve its water crisis. Otherwise, hundreds of millions of lives will be in danger. Nearly 3 billion koalas, kangaroos, and other native Australian animals were killed or displaced by the bushfires which happened in 2019 and 2020, set by World Wide Fund for Nature. Nearly all of the 19 Arctic subpopulation of polar bear may disappear by 2100. Shrinking polar ice would force bears onto lands and keep them away from hunting seals for longer periods. Spotting a sparrow in the cities these days have become very difficult. Reducing urban nesting spaces, felling of trees, rampant construction are few of the reasons why there has been a drastic reduction in the population of chirping bird. Rising sea levels will lead to coastal flooding. Forests, farms and cities will face devastating issues like heat waves, heavy downpours and increased flooding. All these factors will damage agriculture and fisheries. Cities like Bombay, Madras and Kolkata are likely to be submerged in near future. In Assam floods, 54 lakh people affected, 96 animals killed in Kaziranga National Park. One of the coldest places on earth became one of the warmest. A heat wave in Russia sent temperatures in the Siberian town of Verensko soaring to 38 degrees Celsius, which is 104 degrees Fahrenheit. Meteorologists say that this would be the highest number ever recorded in the north of Arctic Circle. Heavy rains threaten further flooding across large parts of China. The Paris Agreement sets out a global framework to avoid dangerous climate change by limiting global warming below 2 degrees Celsius. It also aims to strengthen countries' ability to deal with the impacts of climate change and support them in their efforts. Even after signing this agreement, many countries did not follow the main motive of this treaty and they kept polluting the world. That is why people like Greta Thunberg started to protest at a very young age and made everyone realize that how humans are being the main cause for extinction of animals. Well, these are just some of the disasters that occurred due to the negligence of humans. If I start to list on all the disasters that had taken place, it would take me an eternity. This universe belongs to all living creatures, but humans have acquired everything and crowned themselves as the emperors. Only thing what we have is decision making and wisdom, which other animals don't have. But are we using it in the right manner? No, not at all. Instead, we are using it for our own greediness, selfishness, which is indirectly collapsing ecosystems and food chains and ultimately leading to the destruction of world bit by bit. Here's an instance of a beggar feeding stray dogs from his own plate. This proves that humanity still exists in this cruel, bitter world. Two solutions which can be done at individual level are: one is individual approach, which means to plant trees, be eco-friendly, reduce your carbon footprint by conserving energy. Second one is to protest and join awareness campaigns and raise your voice against the government. For example, Fridays for Future campaign by Greta Thunberg. I want to end this video with a note that we have only one place to live.